This is what I'm looking at today on gold. But before I do that, let me recap what happened yesterday, the analysis I did yesterday, and how it played out. So when I did my analysis yesterday, gold was somewhere here. It was on this particular candle, or is on this. When I was doing the analysis, I think this one came out. This is 1 hour time frame. So I told you guys that if gold came to this zone, we should buy. That's my first entry, and my second entry will be on this one, which played out very well yesterday because gold first came to this first entry and it reject, moved like 78 pips, then came back again, triggered the second entry and fly like 100 and something pips, almost 200 pips. So if you take this buy yesterday, definitely you will make money. But there is no way that you will not make money with this trade yesterday, unless you didn't close or you didn't take it. So it's yesterday analysis played out well. And if you remember this zone, the analysis I did on Monday, I told you guys that I'm looking at this zone to sell, which gold came to it on Monday, but it didn't trigger my sell limit. It just touched the shadow. But that yesterday, it went and touched the exact zone and massively dropped. So, but I didn't take this trade because I cancelled my sell order. But there's another analysis that played out. So if you watch the analysis I did on Monday, you will see this setup I'm talking about here. So this is what I'm looking at today. Let me get rid of this. But this is what I used yesterday. So let's start from, let's do what daily is doing. So on daily time frame now, actually, daily time frame is not doing anything. What it did last here is this bullish engulfing here that came back to retest it. Then after retesting it, it reject and this buy, which is that buy that we took yesterday. That's the only thing that happened here. But right now, because gold need to break close above this zone or above this high today for we to see, so for we to know that okay, on this daily time frame that gold is punching up. Right now it's still ranging. I don't know what it's doing. But if you look overall trend, I can still call it uptrend because it did a change of character here for me. Then drop. This drop, I see it as a retracement. Then whatever is doing now is going back up to take out this high because it did a change of character. This candle dropped here now. There is no sell candle here or anything here I will say that okay, it broke. That will make me to say that it had done another change of character for say it did nothing. So I'm still seeing it as uptrend. But for that uptrend now to be more, let me say, for you to pay more attention to it, I need to see gold take out this high with body, not shadow, and close above it. Then if it happen, I believe that what we see next will be this. If gold take out here, this is what we see next. Is come back and keep moving. So that's what I believe that will happen next. So we just take it out, come back to retest it, and keep buying. So on this 4 hours time frame, So gold already did this. That move yesterday took out this high, then drop, and as it came back, it's a retracement, then drop and came back to retest, then it's buying. So it's simply what happened here is simply break and retest. Just kind of that it broke it, come back to retest with this shadow, then it's buying because it didn't take out this low. So if I see any buy setup on this candle, this is 4 hours candle, I will take it on 1 hour time frame because it just did break and retest and it's buying. And the rules of break and retest is that as long as you take out this high, then come back to and retest and start buying. If what is really want to buy, say gold is uptrend, definitely to take out that high and come back and continue. Or maybe if you come back, it might break. But if you really want to buy, as long as you took out that high, then coming back, it didn't take out this low, it makes this high a weak high. Yeah, it makes it a weak high. So there's a possibility that if you take out the high, then if you take out the high, I don't know whether it will still respect this zone. If you respect it and come back, then it's going to take out this low. Or if you respect it, then it might just retest and keep moving. I don't know that. I don't know the one that it might do. But let's see what we have. So on this 1 hour time frame now, it's already rejecting. If gold take out this level, it's rejecting already. That candle was above it before. So if gold take out this zone, so it will be something like this. You go take out this zone. If this body close above here and come back to this particular level, I will buy and target this high here. So, and this is the first entry, and you can also use it as another entry if you don't want to maybe layer different positions. You might use it or use it, depends on what you want to do. And this is another entry here as well. You can also wait and use this low as another entry to target here. Because if you look, this gold is ranging from this zone to this zone. So now, taking out this high, it might come back here and start buying, or it might choose to come back to this zone again. It has been ranging. Yeah, it might choose to come back to it again. So if you are taking a buy here now, just know that the trade might be lost. I don't know whether this range will continue or whether if this candle close above here, whether it will just come back and keep buying. But if you watch yesterday, respect here and respect here, respect here, then whatever makes it come and take it out right now, I believe that it might just come to here and start buying, or to this one, or it might still want to test here. Nobody can tell. Yeah, it took out this high, but I'm not really paying attention to it. I don't want to use this high, say it must break this high. No, because what I see here is that they just came to retest this zone they're supposed to retest on Monday before this drop. They just came yesterday to just tap in and massively drop it. Because if you look what happened here, despite that she broke it, it still come back, and this one came back and it did take out. Okay, this one took out here, and this previous one, then coming back, it rejects. So, but what I'm just seeing here now is that, oh, that candle is already rejecting safe. If take out this zone, if this candle or any of it take out this level, I might think of looking for a buy. So I told you guys from somewhere here. So if I use this level, then my stop is going to be here. If my stop is here, that's 83 pips. But it will make sense if you're buying in it, let's the stop be here. That and the support will be massive. Support will be like 126 pips. It will make sense if if the stop is here. So if this thing still choose to range, it will not take you out. If you still choose to come back to all these levels, it might not take you out. So if you didn't take it out, at the end of the day choose to buy, you will still be into the trade. Or if you use here, then if you use this level, you're supposed to be like 68 pips, and if you use this particular zone, you're supposed to be like 110. Then if you wait for gold to come back to this zone before you buy, then your supposed to be like 69 pips, and if you use here, you're supposed to be like 26 pips. So just look into it and choose the zone that your spirit accepts, or you know that is okay for you. Or you can still leave the setup because it's still ranging. It has not taken out all this ranging stuff totally. So it can still be that you still want to range. Maybe it might keep ranging till on Friday they will release as in the non-farm payroll. Maybe this gold now is waiting for non-farm payroll. So this might keep ranging till on Friday. I'm just saying. So this is a scenario for a sell. Normal, if gold buy, sell and take out this low. This is the common one first, and come back, let me say to this or to this, then we look for a sell. So let me say come back to this or this. This is the first entry for a sell, and this is the second entry for a sell. Or if gold still do something like this, maybe drop, sell, and this then give something like this and break this low, then come back to it. You can still look for a sell, because if this go want to start selling, it might start giving you higher high, lower low, and higher low, and lower low and higher low. It might start playing out like this and keep moving. So if we see something like say go drop, sell, and give us higher high and lower low and higher low, then if you take out this lower low, come back to retest it, we take a sell here, or we take a sell on this. But at the same time, it's still inside this zone. But whatever makes it start forming this higher high and lower low inside this zone, I believe that the sell will take out this low, because if you look at all the things that happen here, it didn't form any higher high or lower low inside all this ranging that is ranging here. It didn't form. It's only just kind of long candlestick break up and down and just moving. So whatever may start forming this down here, I believe that if we take a sell here, it might be a win. So that's the scenario for sell, guys. I think that's all. That's what I'm looking at. What I just explained to you now is all that scenario that is in my head I'm looking at. to do on this go. So if any of them plays out, I'll flow it up, guys. So let's see how this will play out.